presentation. Shout out to Mr. Okay, Miss Mariam, Mr. Jolex, Isioma, Dr. Brenda,
Hello.
yes, Abim, Miss Divine, Mr. Gates, all of us here in the Zoom presentation. Thank you very much for your time. I am Mentor Jonathan from Philippines. Actually, I joined this business last month, and since then, actually I tried the product, me and my daughter, and there's a good benefit with my daughter because she has what we call this autism spectrum disorder. So she has a condition, and while taking the product, uh, we're taking the product for almost 3 weeks now, and we observe that uh, because this kind of condition to my daughter is like she has once or twice um, tantrums per day. While taking this product, me and my wife observed that the tantrums was gone. No, she has no tantrums at all. But of course, we're still observing her development, and it's really great that the product is really doing well with my daughter. And also, it boosts my immune system. Okay, so our special speaker for today, he will be going to explain and share about more uh, about our products, about the company, and of course the marketing plan of Zenzino. I'm just your host here, and it's really great now to share with you this great opportunity because just last night, Saturday, we have around 43 participants in our Zoom meeting, Zoom presentation, and 25 of those participants are medical doctors from UK, from Nigeria, from Saudi. And could you imagine that even medical doctors are very open-minded and welcoming this kind of products. And of course, our speaker for today is Dr. Godwin Okeje. He's now based in Saudi. He has 10 years experience when it comes to 10 years as a medical doctor, and also believes in natural supplement. For more than 5 years, he is in wellness industry and also a public health specialist. So please take your time and let all of your all of you please welcome Mr. Dr. Godwin Okeje.
Now, my name is Dr. Godwin, and I have over 10 years experience in medical practice, also more than 5 years experience in the wellness industry. And for the past 5 years, I have actually taken special interest in nature, in preventing people from falling sick. And as that interest has actually fueled and made me to grab or embrace anything that will not only make you to make money for yourself, but it will also make you to, in the process, make you to look healthy. Because a lot of people today who are earning well, who are living well, but they have something that is bothering them, which is the state of their health. The state of their health is a big challenge. And that is what this movement tends to correct. The state of your health is well optimized. In the process of optimizing your state of health, you're also making some cash flow that is also increasing your cash flow. So that is what the presentation I'm going to be doing today. So let me just quickly share my screen and go straight to the business of today. So please, if you have those who will benefit from this information, please call them, invite them, send the link to them so that they can also join, because information is power. Information is power, and knowledge is power, and it is antidote to fear. The more informed you are, the better equipped you are, the better confidence you will be. But when you lack information about a certain thing, you lack confidence. So we are here to share information. We are here to cross-fertilize. And with respect to this global mega trend that is gradually coming into Africa. In fact, is about to take hold of Africa. And those of us who are here hearing this for the first time, you are fortunate to get this information at this particular time. Those of us who attended yesterday's presentation, you'll be able to connect the dots and relate it with what I'm going to be talking about today. Now, this is Zinzino Business Potential. Remember that yesterday we had a presentation and we talked about the balance test and why everybody in the world is out of balance and what we need to do to help people to be in balance. Now, today we are going to be looking especially to this company who has made this possible. This company that is headquartered in Sweden, in the Scandinavia, that is a worldwide growing, is rapidly growing. Started in 2005 in Sweden and developed, grew in the Scandinavian region, and now later went to the US and America and went to some other parts of Europe, like UK and other parts of Europe. Now, the company now decided to open up their doors to the remaining part of the world. You can see from the map here, this is the remaining part of the world that the company has opened up their doors to. Recently, India has been established. Soft launch in India is holding on. Soft launch in Philippines is coming up by November this year. The country has already started preparation for soft launch in South Africa, but the pandemic affected a lot of things. Now, while they are doing that in South Africa, they are now looking into the Western Africa, which Nigeria happens to be their major target. Now, that will also, from there, give rise to other African countries and neighboring African countries in the West and Central Africa. Now, what is even Zinzino itself? Zinzino has a strong financial foundation. Remember, this company has been existing since 2005. They are not just new to the business; they are here and they are already, they know what they are. They watch their onions. Now, it's a company that has NASDAQ, is traded in NASDAQ Stock Exchange. First North Premier Growth Market, which is, and of course, any company that is in NASDAQ, it's a company that is credible, a company that has good financial base, and a company that has reputation. So it is welcoming people to be independent partners, because as an independent partners, of course, you are bound by the codes and ethics of the European Direct Selling Association, and you are bound to have double digits. See, the company is already having double digit growth. So as a company is growing, you as a partner, you are also growing in the same way. The company also has this charitable arms where it gives back to the society. Now, for those people who are new, I remember that there was a time I was also new to the direct selling industry. So some persons who are new, before I joined the direct selling industry, it was like fiction to me. It was like the more you look, the less you see. I never understood it until when I understood it. When I understood it, I know that this is a very wonderful industry, a wonderful industry that can turn around the fortune of an ordinary human being from nothing to something. And it is something that you can do right from home. Now, direct selling, how it works, basically, I'm sure we are familiar with people who are celebrities. The reason why most celebrities want to have increased followership, they want to increase their fan base, they want to increase their followership. People go to Instagram, people go to YouTube. So people, they do more, they give value, so they will have more followers. The reason why they do that is so that companies will through them promote their products and services. Any business you are doing today, if you're a business owner, you need to spend money on advertising. If you don't spend money on advertising, then your the customers, which are the end users, which are the people you have made the services for, they will not get to see it. So these celebrities, what they do is that they make themselves as a brand. They create their brand. These people now use them to now showcase their products. That is why I see most celebrities, especially in Africa, are making so much money. Even some musicians are making so much money without even when they have stopped singing, because they are the face of so many companies. That is a traditional sales. That is traditional business. And that kind of system, only those celebrities, the few persons, are people who are bound to benefit. Now, what about in the direct sales industry? The direct sales industry, the manufacturers are not looking for celebrities. The manufacturers are not looking for people who have a great followership on social media. The manufacturers are looking for ordinary people who want to change their lives, ordinary people who are coming from nowhere, ordinary people who are not known, but they have the drive, they have their deepest why, they have something that is pushing them. They are looking for those kind of persons, you and I, for us to be the face of the products and services that they are rendering. They have the money to look for celebrities, but they don't want to use it. They want to change lives. That is the concept of direct selling. So we share the market money with the company shares the market money with the sales force, the other people who are not celebrities. Those sales force are the independent partner. That is why we are doing this presentation today, so that those who want to be independent partners of Zinzino can take advantage of this wonderful opportunity and, of course, help increase their financial base. Now, 50% or more of the retail price will be spent on marketing. Or, like I said, all companies, you must spend money on marketing. So this 50%, who get this 50%? The ordinary people who the company has used as independent partners, who are independent partners of Zinzino. Those are the people that this 50% money that would have gone to the, will go to. So there's this global mega trend, which is a test-based nutrition. Now, like according to Paul Zempiza, he said that the next trillion, if you know Paul Zempiza, I know he wrote a book that the revolution, the wellness revolution, the next $1 trillion earners, those who are involved in distribution of wellness. A lot of people don't want to fall sick. A lot of people want to stop. A lot of people don't want to go to the hospital. They are looking for wellness. Everybody around you wants to be healthy. So those who are involved in this distribution of wellness that everybody is looking for, Paul Zempiza said that they are the future millionaires in dollars. And the global mega trend is an improved, an advanced, an innovative form of wellness distribution. Now, that is why you have the Zinzino balance test, testing the omega-6 omega-3 ratio, which we talked about yesterday. We also talked about that more than 500 million people all over the world have actually done this test. And the results shows that 500 million people who take omega-3 supplements today are almost 95% of them are out of balance. So 500 million people are taking omega-3 supplements every day. But less than 0.2% have taken the test. They've taken the test to discover whether their omega-6 omega-3 ratio is adequate. So the company is bringing something that is evidence-based. You test, you know yourself, because just the way we test our blood pressure, just the way we test our sugar level, this is an opportunity for us to test our level, because like we talked about yesterday, the importance of knowing your ratio, that when the ratio is very high, you have a chance of the increment in chronic diseases. You are at risk of chronic diseases, chronic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, stroke, and the rest of them. So the lower your ratio, the better for you, and the healthier you belong, the healthier you will be. So you see the trend has been there, and the company has projected that by 2050, they will be having 1 billion people tested. And you can imagine if you have a market share of those 1 billion people that are going to be doing this test. I'm sure you understand how it is going to change your finances. 97% failed the test, of course, when it was done, what I talked about. So that is what it is now. And how to start your business. Now, it is a business venture because now the company is no longer looking for celebrities. They are looking for you and I to be the face of this, in distribution of this wellness, in distribution of the balance test, in letting people know that they need to get their test done, and giving them solution, because a lot of people are out of balance. So giving them that value, giving them solution on how to also get them out of balance, or to get them in balance, so to speak. Now, how do you become a partner? You avail yourself, first of all, to become to register in Zinzino, to get your back office, the back office that includes all the wonderful information, all the, you can mute those who are on mute. Okay, all the wonderful information. The back office is a complete information technology back office. You have everything you need to succeed in a business like this. You have so many persons will be asking, how do we? The company has everything on ground to help you to succeed. What you need to do is just to take a step. The first step you need to take is to avail yourself a partner kit. You do your registration by meeting the person who invited you to this presentation. The person gives you his or her link, because every partner has a website, pre-built website, that web store that the person can give you the link. Through the person's link, you can sign up. Now, to get your back office running, then you can, if you can either pay immediately or pay later. So you are actually getting the product kits. You're actually placing your order for products for your own balance test and your own products. But the back office is up and running for you. And these are the two packages that are available now in the global market. There are a lot of packages now. Those who find themselves in countries like the UK, like the US, Canada, Australia, you have a lot of packages, a lot of products. Now, because this is a global market, most of the countries that this is for, like for Nigeria and Africa, and the whole of Africa, and so part of Asia, the company is yet to officially launch in those countries. So they made this package so that you can easily enter the country. So the countries that are available, for example, Nigeria, these are the two packages. The $289 is about 100 and something thousand. Then in naira, speaking in naira, then the $89 is about 50 something thousand, or for something thousand thereabout. Now there is a flat rate of $10 shipping, irrespective of the quantity of products you are ordering or you are getting. There's a flat rate of $10 shipment fee. And like I got my own package within 10 days. Within 10 days, I got my own package. So all these things come. So once you are in, your back office starts running, and you are also you have access to other wonderful Zinzino IT tools, Zinzino mobile app, where you see a lot of. In fact, they have pre-formed an easy way for you to share the information to your friends. Sometimes people be asking, what do I tell people? How do I start? These informations are already made. It's just for you to apply yourself. It's just for you to start and follow the process, follow the procedure. The Zinzino mobile app is there. You install it from Play Store or iOS Store. Then Zinzino GoCore app. The GoCore app, where you have personal and professional development. Even though you are new to this kind of business, the lectures, the trainings are already made available for you. All you need to do is just to go there, watch and learn, and develop yourself personally and see how you can get started. Then you have a powerful back office, and of course, you have the 100% ECB. 100% ECB means every product has a particular credit. In some other companies, it's points, but in Zinzino, it is credits. Now, these credits, because we are in the global market and it has not been launched in our country, the company has made it possible that any credits you accumulate in terms of your own purchase, somebody who is your partner's purchase, or somebody whom, if you are signing up somebody, it is doubled, the doubling of credit. You understand? So those of us who are coming from companies where they are talking about points and PV, instead of calling it PV, instead of calling it points, it is now credit. And in Zinzino, the credit is double. For example, now if you accumulate 50 credit, it is double to 100. That's what it means by the 100% ECB and RCB. Those ECB, the ECB are your partners, because in Zinzino we have you have your customers or prospects will be divided into two. Those will be your customers. Not everybody will want to do a business like this, because so many people are very busy. Yes, with their work, with their project, with what they are doing. Now, if you want to be part and have be part and parcel of what Zinzino has to offer, then you become a customer. You use the product, do your test, check your test, make sure your omega-6, omega-3 ratio is normalized to keep yourself far from diabetes, hypertension, and the rest of them. But if you want to go ahead and become a partner, because you have friends, people who would like to hear this kind of information, then you join as a partner. Now, if you join as a partner, your customers will earn you the ROCB. Then you earn your ROCB, you get ROCB from customers. If you join, if you are recruiting other partners are joining you, it also contribute to your what, your ECB. So these are the information that are here, and it's rich. And all these things you get them, you get them. Now this is now there's also an opportunity for you to get your products free in what is called Zinzino for free. Now, if you join as a partner and you were able to show it to your friends, there are people who will need this information. You show it to them and tell them there's a test that you need to do, and this test will help to check your ratio. Just promoting the test, just promoting this information, and they are able to also get their test done. And you get 4 persons who place this order through you. You get your products for free the next month. Because before you started, you would have done an auto order, Zinzino for free auto order, which with time you get to understand this better. So Zinzino for free, when you get 4 customers within your first month, within that month, you get 4 customers. Your product next month, you don't need to pay for it, you just need to pay shipping costs, and you get your products delivered to you free of charge. That is also what you get. I've not even included the commissions you get from the cash bonuses you get from those persons who have those customers you have generated. Because you generate customers, you get cash bonus. So apart from other benefits you are going to be getting, you get your products free of charge. And this is something we can all do part-time. I'm here working in a hospital that is very busy. I have my calendar, I have my rota, and it can be very tedious at work, but it's still something that I've been able to do with my free time. Now, this is like a way of doubling my earning. What I get at work, what I can get from here will eventually surpass what I'm getting from work. So it is a side business. It's something you can start part-time and see your income grow to even. A lot of people who have started Zinzino since it came have been able to even resign from their job, because at that time they now noticed that the opportunity was now giving them passive income, which was much more than what they were getting from their work. And as long as those of us who are seeing this and taking that step, we will all get to that point where we'll ask ourselves question: this is my work, should I continue or should I not continue? Based on what you are seeing from the Zinzino business. You can do it from home. You don't need to go out. I'm here in my home. We are doing Zoom live presentation. Now, because of the way the COVID-19 has made home business to be now more popular. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, whether I like it or not, has changed the world, has changed our orientation. People have decided to stay more at home, to do work, to do a lot of things through their computer. So unless if there is need for people to meet, but it can be perfectly done from home. And let me tell you something: you are not involved in the handling of products. The company handles the packages for you. If you have somebody in the UK, or if you have somebody in the US and he wants to join you as a partner or a customer, the person goes to your web office. You just give the person your link. The person goes and places his or her order. The company now starts communicating with him. It is the company will ship the products to the person, to that place the person is. It is not your business to do. So you are only connecting. The company is doing the remaining work, and you are getting your cash bonuses. You are getting all your earnings through what the company is doing for you. There has never been a business that is so perfect, especially a wellness business that has been so perfect like that of Zinzino, such that even if you are in Nigeria now and the company has not yet launched in Nigeria, this is one of the rare opportunities. This is one of the only companies I have seen that you can, even in the pioneering stage, you can make a whole lot of money before the company finally launches in Nigeria, because of the system they have on ground. So you can choose the people you work with. It is not a business for everybody. As much as possible, you expose the opportunity to friends. You expose it to them. Everybody will not join you, but the more persons you expose it to, the more you can sieve out, you can get people you want to work with, because anybody that is joining you today becomes your lifetime partner. the person you have gone into a different relationship with the person because it's your now business partner, and it's an opportunity that will create residual income. The residual income we are talking about is because everybody wants to be well. I want to give us an idea what they mean by how this residual income can be very possible. Residual income, according to Art Jonak, he said that if you understand what residual income is, you break the wall to have it. If you understand what residual income is, if your laptop is blocking you from getting residual income, you will destroy your laptop to have residual income. Residual income, an income that you have already laid the foundation. All you need to do, the money keeps coming, whether you like it or not. You are taking your bath, you are working, you are going to church. The system already has been set in motion. There are people today in Nigeria, in Africa, who are on residual income. Some of them don't even do anything, but it is because of the business idea or what they have done in the past that is giving them that residual income. You see them changing cars, you see them building houses, you see them do a lot of things. It is because of the residual income. And whether we like it or not, traditional business cannot give residual income unless it has been developed to a very, very high level, which can take years and a lot of capital. Whether we like it or not, job cannot give us residual income. What can give us residual income is when we have plunged ourselves into a system that can give residual income because of the movement of wellness. Everybody wants to be well. So people will continue. You can imagine by 2050, we are expecting to have tested 1 billion people. Imagine if you contributed to 100,000 of those persons who were tested. Imagine where you will be and the kind of residual income you'll be having. Now, what are the ways to earn? From, you can earn from customers. Like I said, everybody will not join as partners. Some people, once they hear network marketing, they are being put off. No doubt, it's not their fault. It is their understanding and the way some other persons has made the industry to look. But those persons who will not join you as your partner or who will not want to do the referral aspect of it or the network, they will join you as customers. A lot of people I know, in fact, the people I'm even looking for are people who will benefit from the wellness that Zinzino has to offer. Because the more persons we get to benefit, to check their omega-6, omega-3 ratio, and use the balanced oil to balance themselves, the more persons we get to do that, the more residual income and earnings we get. Now, of course, along the line, you have partners. Those partners you have will further help you to increase your customer base, why they try to increase their own customer base. And this is something we can also do from home. So just from you can earn from the customer angle and from your team. So unlike in some other companies where they will tell you retail profits, sometimes it's difficult for you to even make profit from the retail sales. So, and the company don't want to know who is who. But Zinzino recognizes the people who are purchasing products from you and use the number to rank you up and eventually give you some incentives, which we are going to be seeing as we progress in this presentation. 10 solid ways to earn, 10 solid ways to get paid in Zinzino, 10 solid ways to get to get this residual income, the cash bonuses, the fast start bonus, team bonus, and the 10 of them, which we are going to be talking about them briefly as we proceed in this presentation. Now, we have the smart bronze. Now, once you become a partner in your first 30 days, and you were able to get 4 customers who will avail themselves of these tests and get their balanced oil, everybody, like I said, this is something that everybody will want to do because it is scientifically based and evidence-based. There's no fabrication here, there's no hype. If you can get just 4 persons in your first 30 days, you become a smart bronze. You get cash incentives of almost up to $200. Cash incentives of almost up to about estimated of $200 just by those 4 persons. Now that will involve the 10% commissions you'll be getting from those customers, people who want to help themselves. you become a smart bronze. And if you go ahead and because you, apart from the customers you'll be getting, you also be recruiting, getting some other people who want to join you and they want to also become an independent partners. Remember that the enrollment, the ECB will contribute to the total number of credits that you are having. So once that total number of credits you are having, in addition to the 4 customers, minimum of 4 customers you are getting in that your first 1 month, you will not only earn the additional commission of $215, but you also become a fast silver. You become a fast silver, and all those ones will also come with its commission. You see, this is just an estimate. The pay could be more than this. But what this represents the fact that any activity that happens, people join as partners or customers, you are being paid. If the persons that you have, if the customers that have joined you go ahead and also get customers, get their own customers, they are not, like I said, they are not doing the business, they just want to use. Because somebody who will use it, he will go and tell somebody this is good. As the person is spreading the word, you who recruited that customer will also get your cash commissions. As people join as partners, what happens? As they go ahead to also build their own niche, because you never can tell. The person you think that, somebody that will tell you that I'm interested in this business, I want to be a partner. The person, before the person tells you he's interested, the person has already thought of what to do after then, has already thought of people, has already thought, and with the get started trainings and platforms already in the back office and all the GoCo and the rest of them, the person is enabled to even perform, to plan and get grow his business better. And once the person does that, you who have been able to get the person into this business, you continue to get your commissions and you continue to grow. So if you go ahead and increase your customers to 10 customers within 60 days, like the fast silver and the smart bronze are within your first 30 days. Now, it is not compulsory. It doesn't mean that if you don't meet up with the 4 customers within your 30 days that you'll be out of business. No, you are still in business. But the company is giving you as an incentive. If you can do it, this is what they give to you. It doesn't mean that you will not earn cash bonuses from whoever that is coming as customers or partners. But this is a special ranking, special incentive that can eventually help you to get, just extra incentive for people who do extra work. Now, if you go ahead and get 10 customers within your first 60 days, you become an X-Team Express. X-Team Express, now you are looking at a cash bonus of about $300. About $300. If you convert $300, $1 now is almost like 500 naira. So I'm using naira currency. I'm sure people in other countries too will also convert it to their own currency to have an idea what it is. Now, when I talk about $300, we are talking about 150,000. 150,000. You can imagine within your first 30 days, you are getting 100,000 by that $200. Within your first 60 days, you are getting more. This is different from your work, from what you are doing. This is just a side business, plus the health benefits you get from the product, and plus the potential of that money to rise. Now, in direct sales business, what happens is that when you start, you might be doing a lot of work. You are earning less compared to what you are doing. But that is a foundation that will give you an amount of money that it will get to a point that when you do little or nothing, you continue, you'll be paid much more than what you were doing when you were working. That is how there's a geometrical increment in sales, a geometrical increment in earning. Now, like I said, you might be meeting people who don't like network marketing. If you mention network marketing, they're not interested. In fact, I don't even mention network marketing in this. I only sell the idea of the Zinzino balance test, because you can Zinzino balance test and the products. You can get customers, people who want to help themselves, people who want to improve their health. Only customers. You can just, once you have 25 customers, you are worth $1,800. 25 customers, because you are earning 20% of the money, the products, their purchases, 20% of what they purchase will come back to you. So it's about the commission, the about $1,800, and it increases further as you become a pro team member with 50 customer base, increases further as you become a top team 100 customer base, and continues to increase. Remember that as time progresses, you will be meeting people who want to optimize their health. In your first 1 month, you can meet 20 persons. Your second 1 month, you meet more 20 persons. As time passes, your customer base is bound to increase. And the more your customer base increases, the more you get increment in your cash bonuses. And that could be an estimated income for you. So that's what I want us to understand in this. So even without people joining you as partners, even without people joining you, you are meeting people who are not even interested in doing the business, but the customers you are getting, you are earning real big money from them. And there are a lot of people today who would want to be customers. And so as you progress, all other incentives come your way, and potential earning every year. These are potential earnings every year. Because if you do them in 1 year, if it takes you 1 year to get 25 customers, you get that, that income. So when you become a silver, and you help your other team members to also become silver by helping them to earn money, because in the direct sales business, you help that's what they call it, the helping business. You help your partners to earn money. As you help them to earn money, you further increase in rank. And this is not just an ordinary rank. They are rank that are entitled to earning money. Because as we are trying to optimize our health, the company is also helping our finances. So if you become a silver and help others to also become silvers, for example, you have 4 silver. Once you have your team members who become silver, what happens is that you become an executive. 4 silver gives you an executive, and you'll be having an estimate of about $1,600 plus the phone bonus, because you can qualify for the phone. They give you a phone $230 phone bonus for you to take care of your phone bills and internet costs and everything. So all the commissions are there. As you become an executive, your commissions also go up. The cash bonuses also go up based on customers. Now, if you are an executive and if you become executive and you now help your team members, 4 of them at least, to become an executive, you become a diamond. Now, a lot of people have used like in the space of 3 to 6 months to achieve diamond because of their determination, because of their plan, the strategy they have employed. And if it can be achieved by people, then you and I can achieve it. And once you become a diamond, what happens? You qualify for the car incentive. Now, the car incentive, they give you, you are being given the cash bonus for you to get a car of your choice. You get a car. There's a requirement for it, which we will get to know as we proceed. But this is the position where once you get to, you get a car for yourself, and you can now, and plus other cash incentives that are available and other things, So most times when we are in direct sales business, you see people getting cars, getting this. People that alone opens the business more. So a lot of people are looking forward to become diamond, because once they become diamond, they have the car incentive. And most of your colleagues or friends who probably have refused to join because they don't believe that this is a viable opportunity, once they see your car, of course, it will be an eye-opener for them, and it will help to grow your business further. But the good thing about this opportunity is that once you are ranking, it's like you are putting something on autopilot. The more you rank up, the more those persons, because you can imagine your team size has increased. For you to become a diamond, it means you have a team size, customer base, and the rest of them. Now, what happens is that those your team members, they also have plans for themselves. So from your mentorship and from the activities and from what they do, you continue to rise. It's like an autopilot. Now, the thing is that you observe from this slide that to get a car incentive to become a diamond, you don't even need to recruit thousands of people who come and do network marketing. You see, just 4 persons that you have gotten and made them to be executive. Let's assume you just 4 persons you recruited who wants to become partners, and the rest are customers, people who are through you, they are using the products, they are doing their tests, they are checking, they are happy, they are getting wellness, they are thanking you for showing them something good, and you are ranking up and you are being paid. If those, because your team members who have seen the incentives you've gotten as a diamond, they will also want to, you are now a mentor to them. They are looking up to you. They want to get to the position where you are, because there's a common thing that once you see your friend progressing in what he's doing, you would want to join him so that you can also progress with him. And so you want to be, if possible, we inspire each other based on our successes. So by your success, you inspire your team members, and as you inspire your team members, they also want to be like you. And as they want to be like you, you can get 4 persons in your team who becomes diamond. And as they become diamond, because they want to get the same car incentive you've gotten, you become a crown. Your rank further increase. And like I said, this ranking you can see from the screen is not without. Is the cash bonuses are there. The thousands of US dollars estimated per month of $13,800 that will be in your back office for you, for your relish, will be there in addition to the ranking. And that continues. You see the business potential. There's no, and that's what they say in direct sales business, in network marketing, there's no end in sight. As you continue to rank up, you already have the foundation that you have laid some months back. So passively, you rank up to the next until you rank up until you are worth close to hundreds of thousands on monthly basis. And that is the opportunities Zinzino has brought for us. And why is this possible? Because of the need for people to do their tests. Because of the test-based nutrition that Zinzino has offered. A lot of people are out of balance. We are living in a world that is out of balance. And whether I like it or not, I believe that a lot of Nigerians are out of balance. A lot of wealthy Nigerians are out of balance. A lot of wealthy Africans are out of balance. These wealthy Africans will not come and be partners. They may not be partners, but they will be users of the product. They will take advantage of this test kit, this Zinzino balance test, to check themselves. You'll be surprised that the wealthy people around you will be very excited when they learn about this Zinzino balance test protocol. Now, if they are excited and if they are happy that you have shown them something that will help their health, it is also good business for you. So we are in the business of helping people health-wise, basically, because it is when you produce that value, it is when you produce that help that you get the money. The money comes. Money does not come without giving value. As you give value, money comes. So it is all about timing. Why is timing very important? Now, like I said in the beginning of this presentation, those who are hearing me now, those of us who are learning about this, we are so fortunate because this is the best time to take advantage and become partners of Zinzino. If you want to be customers, you are also welcome. But those of us who want to build network with this opportunity, this is the best time to become partners and get your friends involved and get your like minds involved. This is the best time because 37 markets, as I speak now, see, Zinzino is only in 37 markets. Now, what happens from in 2005, 2025 till 2050. This is a company that has been existing from 2005. It is not going to close. Rather, the company is increasing and developing geometrically from 10,000 customers to 84,000 customers before 2015, and now the company is counting up to more than 200,000 customers by as of 2020. In 2025, the number of customers will also increase up till 2050, when the company is targeting like 1 billion customers, because 95% or 95 to 97% of the world's population is out of balance. That is why you see a lot of doctors, a lot of health professionals in the US, in the UK, who are promoting who are in Zinzino, trying to help people to check their omega-6, omega-3 balance ratio. And not just that, helping them to also use the balance oil and all the health protocol to reduce their ratio, because reducing your ratio is one key step in preventing you from having cardiovascular disease, keep giving you that optimal health you need. You never can tell what could be the problem of that bodily ailment that you are having. Sometimes people wake up and they have unexplained symptoms. You never can tell what could be the cause of that unexplained symptoms. When you take your balance test and start your health protocol, you will not only notice that there will be a reduction in your ratio, but you also know that you have short-term effect, medium-term effect, and you are bound to benefit from the long-term effects. Don't be so carried away because you are feeling okay. You think that every disease state will give you symptoms. Every disease state does not give symptoms. Most times we have to take an extra mile to check ourselves. And this is the only time we are having a direct sales company bringing the test-based nutrition to check to know whether you even need the products in the first place. Then, of course, if you need the products, you go. So it's about timing. This is the correct time. This is the best time for us to be part of this estimated growth in this chart. So this is a perfect timing. Only 37 markets, and more markets are opening. Nigeria is one of them. Ghana is one of them. Uganda is one of them. South Africa is one of them. All the markets, you can be, this is the only opportunity where you can be in your country, Nigeria or Ghana or Uganda, and the world will be your marketplace. The world will be your marketplace because everybody now is going online. Everybody now is doing things from home. So you have access to people via social media, via so many online channels. You don't even need to, unlike before when the direct sales industry was crude. Now the direct sales industry has developed and improved in such a way that from home, you can conquer the world around you. So let's make our dreams come true. It is very possible for us to make our dreams come true. The only time you can have a change, the only time we can get change is when if we continue to do things, what we have been doing repeatedly, we will always be getting the same result. If we want to get a different result in what we are doing, our aspirations and dreams, we should learn to do something different. You see, when I started doing something different from 2015, in terms of personal development, my personal development started to be top notch. My way of thinking started to change, and my achievements I started noticing an achievement. I was becoming different because I started doing something differently. So until we start doing things differently, the results that we have been getting will never change. So many of us will see this as a culture shock. You know, what is this? But we have to get used to new things. We have to get used to things that are different from the norm that we know about. And the wellness industry, the direct sales industry, is the business of the 21st century. Of course, COVID-19 came and proved to us that the crude businesses that we used to do are now obsolete. The businesses that can yield you much more tons of cash with little investment is a business like Zinzino. And Zinzino has further improved the wellness industry by introducing the test-based nutrition. So you can become a Zinzino partner or you become a customer. If you become a Zinzino partner, you have access to potential, your potential to earn long-term residual income. They call it water never runs dry, whether you are sleeping. If you become a Zinzino partner, you earn lifestyle rewards and incentive trips. You earn free products, of course, free samples. We're giving you free. So you get your products, Zinzino Balance Oil, you get it free. You can work from home. You can get your Zinzino products for free, to use Zinzino for free. Bring health and wellness to the world. That is what we are doing. We are on a mission of bringing health and wellness to the world. We are offering value. People are happy with what we are doing, but we are also laying foundation for our residual income. You can choose that, oh, I'm too busy. This is not for me. I don't like this. But definitely, you will not be honest with yourself if you tell yourself that you don't need to do your tests and use your balance oil to make your test, your ratio, to come down from that high dangerous ratio, disease-laden ratio, to the normal wellness ratio that you should have. Because it doesn't make sense for you to make so much money and yet you don't have the good health to enjoy the money that you are making. So if you want to become a customer, you benefit from the wealth of health that Zinzino has to offer. Get the lowest possible price, because of course, because you'll be reordering, because you'll be using it for yourself, the company gives you at a discount. You get it at a discount, you pay, and the shipment is done for you door to door, with a flat rate of $10, irrespective of the quantity of products you are ordering. So you can also help your friends and share the products with them. So you have the two options. So in Zinzino, we inspire change in life, change in our health, change in the way we think, change in our finances, and change in the way we influence our world. Thank you very much for your time in this presentation, and the floor is now open for further questions.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Godwin, for that wonderful presentation. I believe that a lot of participants here already got to know more about our products, about our marketing plan. So for now, we are welcoming all of the questions that you would like to ask Dr. Godwin and the rest of the participants. If you have any questions.
Somebody is raising hands. Mr. Lawrence.
All right. Mr. Lawrence.
Good evening, Dr. Godwin.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah. I have two questions, please. One of my questions have been answered, but I still have two. I want to know, from my previous networking experiences, I want to know, is there anything like authorship in Zinzino? That is one. Please don't mind my noisy background. My kids are in the house.
No problem.
Is there anything like authorship in Zinzino? And also, where an individual, a registered member, is unable to register downlines, can he make profit from sales, or can he get commissions from sales or from purchases?
Okay.
Those are my two questions.
Is that all your questions? Do you have further questions? That's all right.
Yes, that's all my questions.
Fine. Thank you very much, Mr. Lawrence, for that question. In fact, I was expecting people to ask that question. That shows that we are paying attention and we are committed to this. Now, for the first question about authorship, Zinzino has authorship, but the authorship is not compulsory. Now, I talked about Zinzino for free. Now, when you are registering, you are creating your back office, you have the option to activate your Zinzino for free or not. But we will always encourage people to activate their Zinzino for free, the auto order, because of the benefits attached to it. But if you think that you are not ready at that moment to activate it, and you want to run the business first without the authorship, it is also you are also welcome. You also get other cash, you also get cash incentives from other ways to earn partners joining you and the rest of them. You also get cash incentive. But if you don't have the Zinzino for free, it will deny you from getting some other benefits, some other incentives like the ranking and the rest of them. So, of course, for you to rank, which you know that it's also a norm in the direct sales industry. For you to rank very well, you need to do your authorship every month. But if you don't do your authorship in Zinzino, you are not out of business. You'll still be in business and you still earn your commissions. Now, the second question you asked is commissions. That is the beauty of Zinzino. Now, in other companies, if you don't refer anybody and you end up making sales, you are reordering, you are using for yourself, you are making sales, and you don't refer anybody, what happens is that you will not get any money. In fact, they will promise you what they call maybe unilevel. But that unilevel, it will take you like 5 years before you start seeing any reasonable amount of money that you can even palpate. But in Zinzino, even if you don't recruit one single person, you can get car incentive. You can rank up. Like I talk about the fast silver. Your first 1 month, you get 4 customers. The 4 customers are people that you sold the products to, are people that ordered the products through your page. And the 4 customers plus the ECB and RCB, the RCB is what you accrue when you even make your own purchases and the purchases of your customers and the people your customers have also referred. So as you are doing your own purchases, the company, your ECB, your RCB goes up, and that contributes towards your pay point. There's what they call pay point in Zinzino. And 1 pay point is equivalent to €1. So as you are buying products for yourself, you are bound to have pay points for yourself that can be translated into cash. So while you are, even if you don't recruit anybody in Zinzino, but you have customers, remember that there are people who will eventually become your customer. They don't want to come and do the business because as being your customer alone, you are ranking up. You can become a diamond and get your incentives and earn good amount of money in Zinzino. I don't know if I answered your question, Mr. Lawrence.